Hey, what's up guys? Kevin the Tech Ninja here. And today we're taking a look at a piece of smart home tech that I find is very important. Next to a doorbell, this is the next piece of tech that you should have in your smart home. If you have a garage door, this is something you need to check out. This is the GoGoGate 2. It's 99 bucks and it's super compatible with almost every single system out there. Let's have a look-see. This is the GoGoGate 2. It's $100 from Amazon, and it's a very easy plug-and-play smart garage door opener. But before you do that and make that purchase, you need to head to the compatibility checker to ensure that it works with your opener. It's also compatible with smart home. Works with Amazon Echo, Google Home, and If This Then That. And if you know anything about smart home tech, then you know that those are the main three players in the game, especially with If This Then That, which is really cool because you can link this with other smart home things. So for example, you can have, when my door leading to the garage opens up, open my actual garage. And different things like that. You can let your imagination go wild. And a big thanks to GoGoGate for sponsoring this video. So once you buy it, inside the box you have everything you need. You have screws, you have a tilt sensor, you have the opener, you have cables, a Wi-Fi adapter, and some double-sided tape. The garage controller has a USB port, and from there, you actually just plug in this little Wi-Fi adapter into it. You then plug it into a wall for power, and then you connect it to your opener. Now don't worry if you're not too handy. The opener is just two simple screws that you need to back out, and you actually put the controller between the screws and screw it back down. If you're not comfortable with it, any normal electrician could take care of it, but if you just cut the power and you follow the instructions, you should not have any issues with it. In the app, you can now connect to the opener, so just like other smart home apps out there on the market, what you need to do is connect to that Wi-Fi and then go back into the app, and then from there, you can link the app to the hardware. Once you have the garage door opener in the app, then you need to link the tilt sensor. The tilt sensor is what your garage door is actually using to figure out if it's open or closed. The tilt sensor works very simple once you have it mounted. If the garage is vertical, the tilt sensor will say it's closed, or if the garage is horizontal, then the tilt sensor will say it's open. And then that tilt sensor communicates back to the controller, so from there you can tell if it's open or closed just by the orientation of the tilt sensor. So within the app, it's very simple. In the middle here, you have a picture of your house, whether you have a camera or not. I'll get into the camera portion in just a little bit. If you don't have a camera, it'll just be a picture of a house. And as you can see that it is closed right now. I also have the temperature and also the sensor battery, and also have activity. So you can see anytime the garage was open or closed, I can see that down here. So to open it, you just go ahead and slide it up. So we'll go ahead and do a slide up. You can see this little icon at the bottom letting me know that the garage is now opening. For security reasons, the GoGoGate 2 has a 5 seconds delay when opening the garage. And during these 5 seconds, it starts to beep and flash. And this is to alert all individuals or even animals in the area of the garage. And here it is, my garage is now open. This red is now going to turn green once the sensor is all the way to the open position. And then to close it, you just simply slide it back down. And the same process starts to happen in reverse. So you can have one account, but you can put this account on multiple devices. So if you have multiple people in your family or even multiple devices, anyone can install the app and log into it. Now, once you log into it, all your settings are saved. So once you have it all set up, you just log into it from a different location. And then this is where you configure every single thing at with the garage. So I can go ahead and click on this gear icon. And then from here, I have the ability to look at the remote access status, the Wi-Fi, the doors, the video, and also admin alerts and users. So for example, if I go to doors, and then from here I can actually see my sensor. What's nice is that a lot of homes, they'll have the 2 garage doors, or they'll have the 3. You can buy multiple sensors and then have it for each one. So when you have the app, you can see all of your door statuses. Right here, you just select your sensor type from this drop-down menu, and then you type in your sensor ID, and then it connects right to it from here. So back in settings, when I head to video, I can then see my camera settings here. And then all I'm doing is linking my camera together. So I'm using the iSmartGate cam, but in here you can actually select from multiple cameras that are on the market. So Ubiquiti, TP-Link, D-Link, False Cam, Drop Cam, Nest Cam, a lot of different other cameras you can use in the market will actually link directly into this app, which makes things a whole lot nicer. And that's how I got the video inside the app. Now, if I do have to give a little bit of criticism about the app, is that I feel the app is a little bit slow as far as when you're diving into settings and connecting different services together. But once everything is connected, you don't have to worry about anything else. The app is very responsive as far as opening and closing the garage. You just literally slide it up, the garage starts to open, and when it's done opening in about 30 seconds or so, it turns green and you know it's open. And also this camera is not a 100% live feed. It does refresh, but at the same time, I don't need a full live feed. As long as I know if my garage door is open or closed, I'm good with that. And then when you consider that it works with multiple smart home cameras and also works with the Amazon, the Google, and also if this and that, you have a compatible product here that you don't even have to go into the app. I mean, you can just tell Google Home to open the garage or close the garage if you wish, or have an if this then that command. GoGoGate 2 is the only controller compatible with both garage doors and gates. The device can be purchased with a wireless sensor for sectional garage doors like you see here, or a wired sensor for gates, shutters, and roller doors. There's also a compatibility guide on their website, so before you purchase it, you'll know exactly what to get, as the guide will ask you a couple questions and then give you the best solution for your setup. As always, guys, my name is Kevin the Tech Ninja. I cover tech from the smart home to the smartphone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. KTTN, say it again. Tell a friend that it's him again. Yo, real talk, opinions gonna be sharper than 4K. Scope Squad, eat it up, simmer it, saute. Ninja got reviews and brands galore. You ain't never seen a channel like this before. No hashtag.